Hello everyone, welcome in this video. Friends, if you are on duty or working in a hotel industry as a food service staff or a food production staff as a chef, then you have to keep remember your full on dress all time because that protect you and this identify and designation to you. So let's begin to know about it. Friends, more of protective clothes than uniform. The safe uniform consists of the following: like top and head wears. Friends, safe keeps the head cool and prevents the hair from falling into the food. Cotton cloth caps are difficult to maintain, whereas paper caps are disposable, hence they are neat, and the number of plates on the plate safe indicate the number of ways in which an egg can be prepared. And the next things is scarf and neckerchief. Friends, safe keeps always absorb sweet and identify designations. And the next things is double-breasted jacket. Always safe keeps protected the chest and front and easy to remove over heat and sideway, and cotton cloths buttons and heat resistance. And the next things is apron. This is most important apron for the safe and service staff. Apron is protect you by belowing knee level and double protected, prevent the jacket and trousers from becoming dirty. And the next, cotton jacket trousers double shade hide the dirt and identified designation. And the next things is most important things is shoes and socks. Friends, clocks can be used but it is expensive. Metal frame in front protect the toes and easy to remove. Legs, socks and absorb sweats and provide good grips and steady step while walking. So I hope you know very well how to you have maintain on duty and while you are working in hotel. So thank you for watching this video.